Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Learn and Grow. Today's topic is one word substitution test. One who travels from place to place. The right answer is option B. A person who is hopeful in life. The right answer is option B, optimist. A person who is not hopeful in life. The right answer is option A, pessimistic. Person having long experience of any occupation. The right answer is veteran. Well known for bad qualities. The right answer is option B. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.